Print a test strip before you start working. Click to clean up. Prepare a piece of A4-sized paper or plastic film. Apply double-sided tape around the edges of the paper. Place the film on the print bed. This prevents ink from sticking to the print bed. Measure the dimensions of the phone case. Import the prepared images. Adjust the dimensions to be slightly larger than the measurements you just took. Now you have the specific print area. Now you have the specific print area. Place the phone case within the design area. Peel off the film and stick it to the case. Your one-of-a-kind phone case is now complete.